In the sacred Nirvana Pottuhansi, there is another special sutta called Girimananda Sutta. In Girimananda Sutta, there contain Dasa Sanya. Dasa Sanya means that is the objectives to think, to elicit our mind towards wisdom. It is also insight meditation, vipassana bhavana. When Girimananda Thero was ill, Buddha went there and had courteous talk with him, and Buddha chanted this sutta, including Dasasanya. So when Girimananda, he taught about those Dasasanya which connects to our life, day-to-day life. It explains the nature of our life, like impermanence, non-soul. In that way, when Girimananda listened to that sutta, Girimananda Sutta, and he cured from his disease.